Welcome back to Zimist Coded. Quick question for you. Have you ever stopped and wondered how secure your Gmail account really is? I mean, your emails, your documents, your photos, even your YouTube channel. Everything is tied to that one Google account. So today I'm going to show you how to secure your Gmail account in just a few minutes using Google's built-in security checkup. No technical skills, no stress. Just a few smart checks that can save you a lot of trouble later. Now, before we jump in, if this is your first time here or you haven't subscribed yet, take just a second and hit that subscribe button. It really helps support the channel and keeps you connected to more simple, practical Windows and productivity tutorials right here on Zimist Coded. All right, let's take this nice and easy. So, what exactly is Google Security Checkup? Think of it as a health check for your Google account. It scans your account and shows you where you're signed in, checks your saved passwords, looks for suspicious activity, reviews your recovery options, and even shows you which apps are connected to your account. And the best part, it guides you through everything step by step. Let's open it. On your browser, go to myaccount.google.com/security-checkup. Make sure you're signed into your Google account. Once the page loads, you'll see the Security Checkup dashboard right in front of you. You'll notice different sections here, and we're going to walk through them calmly, one by one. Let's start with your saved passwords. I'll click on it, then click on Check Your Passwords, and then Check Passwords again. At this point, Google may ask you to sign in again. That's just a quick verification step. Now, what Google is doing here is checking your saved passwords for three main things. It looks for compromised passwords, meaning passwords that were exposed in data breaches outside Google. It checks for reused passwords, the same password used on multiple sites. And it also checks for weak passwords, which are easy to guess. Let me click on Compromised Passwords. You'll see a message explaining that some passwords were exposed in a non-Google data breach and should be changed immediately. This is important. If you see anything listed here, go ahead and change those passwords as soon as possible. Use strong, unique passwords and avoid reusing the same one across different websites. A password manager can really help here. It creates strong passwords and remembers them for you. All right, let's move on. Next, click on Your Devices. This section shows every phone, laptop, or tablet that's currently signed into your Google account. Take a moment and look carefully. Do you recognize all of them? Is there an old phone you no longer use or a computer that doesn't look familiar? Let me click on one of these devices. You might be asked to enter your password again. That's normal. From here, if you don't recognize the device or you no longer use it, just click Sign Out. And that's it. That device is instantly removed from your account. Simple, but very powerful. Now let's check recent security activity. Click on it, and you'll see a timeline of recent sign-ins, password changes, and security updates. If you notice anything you don't recognize, maybe a sign-in from a strange location, act immediately. Change your password and review your devices. If everything looks familiar, then you're in good shape. Next up is one of the most important sections, Sign-in and Recovery. Click on it. Here, you'll see your two-step verification status, your recovery phone number, and your recovery email address. Make sure two-step verification is turned on. This adds an extra layer of security, even if someone gets your password. Also, double-check that your recovery phone number and recovery email are correct and active. These recovery options are what help you get your account back if you ever forget your password or if someone tries to break in. And finally, let's look at third-party connections. Click on your third-party connections. This shows apps and services that have access to your Google account. Take your time here. If you see an app you no longer use or don't recognize, remove it. Let me click Remove Access for this one. You'll see a confirmation message. Just click Confirm, and it's gone. Remember, every connected app is a potential security risk. If you don't need it, remove it. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've checked your passwords, reviewed your devices, confirmed your recovery options, and cleaned up connected apps. That's how you properly secure your Gmail and Google account using Security Checkup. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, or if you want to see more security-related tutorials. And if you're new here, Go ahead and subscribe to Zimist Coded for more simple, clear, and practical tech tutorials every single week. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.